Chuck with VMP Performance here again, and today we've got something super special for you. We've got Odin number 001. That's right. We've waited a long time. There's been a lot of blood, sweat, and tears gone into this project, and we're proud to finally announce we've got the very first production Odin ready to be out there in the wild. Behind me, we have Mike Petty's 2019 Ford Mustang GT. He brought this thing to us with almost no miles on it. He said he wanted the full build: Odin supercharger, carbon fiber drive shaft, stop the hop kit, BMR suspension, long tubes, the whole 9 yards. We put a return style fuel system on this thing. We're running E85, and we're gonna throw it on the dyno and see how much power it makes. All right, so thanks for checking out the video. We here at VMP couldn't be more excited to have Odin number 001 out on the streets and making a bunch of power. I'm sure that Mike Petty, the owner of this car, is going to be super stoked with the power it made. Speaking of the power it made, why don't you drop a comment below and guess just how much it made? Person who gets the closest, we'll send them a free swag pack. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you again next time.